Ukraine hit 3 oil depot refineries in Russia overnight. UAVs visited the Afipsky refinery in the Krasnodar region and the NM oil depot in Adygeia. Another refinery in the Tambov region was also hit by at least 3 UAVs. Ukrainian drones attacked several regions of Russia on the night of June 20th, the Russian Ministry of Defense reports. According to the military department, air defense systems intercepted and destroyed 6 drones over the territory of the Republic of Adygeia, 3 over the Bryansk region, 3 over the Krasnodar territory, and 1 each over the Rostov, Belgorod, and Oryol regions. The Ministry of Defense statement does not say anything about the consequences of the drone attack. Governor of the Krasnodar territory, Veniamin Kondratyev, said that the city of Slavyansk on Kuban came under attack. As a result, a private house was completely destroyed and a local resident was killed. In the village of Anem, Taktamukai district in Adygeia, a fire broke out at an oil depot due to a drone attack. The head of the Republic, Murat Kumpilov, said that at 6 a.m., rescuers put out the fire. Its area was 400 square meters. There were no casualties. The Lukoil Yugnefty product oil depot is located in Anem. Russian telegram channels report that the oil depot in Azov, Russian Rostov region, continues burning 2 days after it was hit by a drone attack. According to further information from local telegram channels, the second reservoir at the depot got depressurized.
Второй прилетел, пробил отверстие, наверное, в высоту 3 метра, в ширину 6 метров. И осколками насквозь этот резервуар пробил и повредил резервуар, который за ним, он загорелся. А третий беспилотник попал вот сюда вверх, но не загорелось. К большому счастью. Вон запчасти всей этой приблуды. И стопудово запускали откуда-то его, отсюда, свои же.
Ukrainian FPV air defense drones are becoming a serious problem, Russian bloggers are saying. In the future, they may also work against the army aviation, primarily helicopters. Ukrainian FPV air defense drones are becoming a serious problem, working against our reconnaissance unmanned aircraft, and in the future they may also work against the army aviation, primarily helicopters. It must be stated that the Hohals have become world pioneers in this component. Their repeater systems, both ground-based and on balloons, detect our UAVs, and operators take the drones into the area and search for the target. We should now create the same thing, and in the shortest possible time. And here the hope is in the People's Military-Industrial Complex, which has already proven itself well and is recognized at the highest level. The Kremlin regime frees murderers and sentences teachers. News from a self-confident superpower. An art teacher from the Lipetsk region, Daniil Klayuka, was sentenced to 20 years in prison by the Kremlin regime on charges of terrorist activity and high treason. According to prosecution, he allegedly transferred 20,000 rubles, $200, to support Azov. The man claims that he transferred this money to his brother in Luhansk instead. Daniil was discovered when someone reported his caricatures on SMO participants in a local newspaper. As a civic servant, he had no choice but to subscribe to the newspaper.
I really would like to answer to the sweet Switzerland journalist having the audacity to ask if we Ukrainians are tired from the war, pointing out that the West are already exhausted from our war. Of course not. Why should we? Why should we? Everything is fine, totally fine. Except the fact that my phone list numbers look like a necrolog because half of the people there are dead. And I'm not brave enough to delete their names from my phone and my heart. But except this fact, everything is fine, totally fine. We understand that you're tired, you have all rights to be. Maybe we also should be a bit tired and upset about the fact that West actually are the one responsible of this war, because you did everything possible to help Russia to disarm Ukraine until 2014, to destroy our jets, nukes, and missiles. But everything is fine, no blame on you. We totally understand, it's fine, totally fine. I understand that your living bills prices are rising. Of course, it's terrible. It's nothing compared to visiting your friend's funeral every month, nothing compared to checking how many civilians died through the last night every morning. Billing prices are bad. It's totally understandable. Your electricity prices are rising. It's so horrible. In some regions of Ukraine, we got electricity only 2 hours per day, but maybe we can help somehow. Maybe. I understand that your water prices are rising. I actually got an idea. On the south of Ukraine, we don't have any water left because Russia destroyed our water facilities, so we don't need to pay for it because there is no water. So maybe you should ask Russia to friendly bomb your water facilities and you will also not need to pay for it. Just an idea. Your gas prices probably also rises. Our gas storages simply blowed up, so we don't need to worry about winter, like how to pay for high bill prices because there is no gas. So like we will just probably burn our furniture. I don't know, like winter will be so far away from this day, so why should we worry? Half of us will be dead until the day, so no worries, be happy, everything is fine, totally fine, no offense. Maybe we can do something to help solve this inconvenience, because I understand that we are making a huge inconvenience for you simply by existing, so maybe we can try somehow to die faster so you can happily return to your happy, careless life. We will think about it. Just tell us what to do. What else should we give up? Half of our country, half of our population, maybe half of my body will be enough. Just tell us and we will try to solve this issue. But accept this, everything is fine, we are not tired. We're absolutely okay. Our mental state, as you can see, is absolutely bright and healthy. So yes, just tell us what we need to do to make your life easier, because we don't want to be this huge inconvenience. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.